Kia ora, ko e tēnei tuake nei. I te taha tōku mama, no te hokianga whakapau karakia, no rua tāhuna. I te taha tōku nei pāpā, no rua atoki me tūrangi. Ko Nikora e tōku ingoa. Yeah, I'm a second year medical student, still a baby. And it's been a bit of a journey, eh? Why do I want to do what I do? It's pretty simple, matua. It's sad to see how people die so early, and I think what's sadder is to think as a kid that it was normal. Figuring out what my position is in this kaupapa, what do I offer, and then able to see that we all have an equal amount of giving into this kaupapa. And that's awesome because it's cool to see our introverted and our extroverted whānau offer their expertise. And koera te mea nui o Hauora Melodies is making sure that there's a place for everyone.